Hello friends, today we will discuss the short run production function. The short run production function represents the relationship between the quantity of output produced and the quantity of a variable input, one variable input, while holding the other inputs constant in the short run. So its characteristics are: first is fixed input. Some inputs like capital or technology remain constant. Variable input, one input, typically labor, is varied to produce different levels of output. It means that number of labors can be increased or decreased to produce different level of output. Third is law of diminishing marginal returns. As the variable input increases, marginal output initially increases but eventually decreases. So short run production function is expressed as Q, where Q is the quantity of output, L is the quantity of labor, which is variable, and K is the quantity of capital, which is fixed input. So stages of production are three. First is increasing returns. When the labor is increased, marginal output increases at initial stage. Diminishing returns, marginal output decreases as labor increases. Then a stage comes when the returns become negative. Marginal output becomes negative as labor increases. So managerial decisions are in short run is optimal labor input. It has to be determined that the level of labor that maximizes the output or profit. Then second is output and labor trade-off. The manager has to balance the desire for more output with the increasing cost of labor. The short-run production function helps firms to understand the relationship between input and output in the short run, enabling informed decisions about resource allocation and production planning.